Good afternoon, you guys. How are you guys doing today? As you guys can see, I'm at, where am I? Remember, my day I want part of one part in a half a tree. May I go in a Quartz? I think I Queen's Plaza. I don't know. Remember. I crashed from the passport office. I did a simple wash and go though. So do a quick business and then you're gonna see somebody who I love so much. May I go link that person there. So yeah. I finally found out where I am. I'm at Mall Plaza in Alpha 3. So me with my friend finish his business inside.
New year now. So.
You guys remember the first day when I said I'm going to Quartz? This first and then Quartz after. The person who might visit must have wonder how I'm there. Yeah. So you guys were just leaving that electronic store now. We are heading. We can't walk it. Considering to buy a smart TV, so I don't know which one to buy. If I should buy it right now or not. Well, let me show you guys, okay? I'm just considering if I should buy it or not. But then again, I don't really watch TV, so hence I will just buy it for my father, I guess. I don't really know, so I'll check them out still. So yeah, I just finished with Quartz. Now we're gonna meet that special person. You guys have to tell me who it is. If you have a feeling, comment below. I'm waiting. Yeah, so you guys will see shortly, okay? Yeah. I was craving this peanut and I finally got it. So nice. I think the last time I got something like this is like when I was in the country. Yeah, I love them so much. What kind of peanuts do you like? Roasted or them sweet on here? Comment below. Like I finally reached my destination, but knowing me, I have to be at Tasties, so I'm buying food for us. As per usual, cheese patty. I don't know. I should put cheese on the line long here. But then it's, you know, ceremony, you know this. I was so everywhere full because today I was sat there, so that's why. Hi. She's back. Just for finding our struggles. So we're gonna just carry through and sing. So yeah. Ah, you know, you see? Where's the dog, Marvin? Just came home and done. But you catch the work. You bring your best friend food, huh? See her face?
Let us spin.
I wonder why. The man pay me the money. We are going.
Yeah.
You know, say I can vlog with. Yeah, bye bye.
So vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Do for the vlog.
Yeah.
So we're about to drop off Peter Gay. She's on the back seat. It's a bit dark in here, but tonight was amazing. We did have I and I
have never. But
Yeah.
it was too intense.
to actually put.
Yeah, because Claire said no. So
I didn't say no. But anyways, guys, I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye.
So right now, I feel hungry. Sorry about your head. So I feel hungry, so I might tap on my food for me to eat.
Light.
And they kind of need the light now. Oh, yeah, you guys, him cook for me. The food, it tastes good. So your husband can cook us, so to you, be the best self. So, you need to try for light, because I want to drive and blah blah. I'll do my drive now, but you understand?
Yeah,
So
that's
later.
not
Yeah, no really pop. I'm gonna just order one zinger.
You know, like my food from Peter Gay 25 minutes.
And a chicken my order.
We are.
Zinger, so we're not taking so I must have gone away. Hey, zinger, I can't wait on that.
Oh, friendly. Come down.
They don't really go and left me. Oh, me that come out and that get the light.
Yo, so no one text me out over there already.
Them la.
Some of them are just
I She's miserable. And she end up going, see?
Hi guys.
So we are going to end the vlog.
You know, Peter Gay take forget a little chicken.
No, and that's chicken as zinger.
I'm a man Stalk.
So basically we're just here to end the vlog.
Imagine Peter Gay go home, say no, say no,
She
we're not
can't
gonna make
drive,
it. So let's just say RIP to Peter Gay from now, cause you know, I press gas.
So this is where we end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mega see you.